Can crypto be productive, and can you assign a precise valuation to it? Warren Buffett divides investments into three categories: currency-denominated ones, mainly debt, so bank deposits, bonds, etc., assets that rely on the greater fool theory to produce returns. Warren classifies gold and or crypto as such, and productive assets, stocks, farmland, and so on. My question is, if we accept the fact that Bitcoin, for example, belongs to the second category, does it mean that all crypto belongs there? Productive assets are ones that, surprise, produce something that one can sell and thus generate cash flow. Spotify produces a music and podcast catalog and sells it under a freemium subscription model. If you buy their shares, they use your capital to expand their business, increasing cash flow and therefore the value of your shares in the long term. Now let's look at the crypto project I mentioned in the 19th episode, Odious. I need to say that I hold audio tokens. The business is very similar. You can use their platform for free but need to stake a certain amount of audio tokens to get access to certain features. Just like Spotify, they can use investors' funds to increase value. It is true that the staking model only ensures a single amount from customers instead of the recurring payment for subscription. However, Odious offers the ability to upgrade to higher tiers, enabling big purchases. Also, by turning premium users into investors, they incentivize them to market the platform for free once it's mature enough. Despite the differences in monetizing, I think it's hard to make the case that Spotify is productive if Odious is not. In both cases, the value comes from artists, not the platforms themselves. Both just sell access to these artists' products. Is there a way to value Odious like Spotify then? One could compare the two by monthly active users using the formula on screen. It would mean that Odious is undervalued, but this disregards the premium accounts which actually generate money. I see another way of possible valuation in USD terms. To calculate, you will need the number of premium users for each tier, the number of tokens needed for each tier, and paradoxically, the price of a token. You can also add factors like inflation of supply, volatility, projected growth, and so on. This is of course just one example, but now you can see exactly why this cannot work. Subscribe to learn more and earn more.